Alright guys, Unit 8, Spectroscopy and Radiation Spectroscopy. Okay, so an important thing to note about this unit is it covers 2 chapters, okay? Spectroscopy, radiation chapters. So keep that in mind because that means the answers are going to be spread out a little further through the chapters, right? So, with that being said, here's what we're going to do. Activities, let's just go over that real quick, what you got to do for this in vocabulary. It's always in the first page. If you don't see it, then you're good to go, but if you do see it, go ahead and write that down and define it. The first thing to do is the electromagnetic spectrum WebQuest. So as you can see, the symbol means it's on canvas. So this is what it looks like, right? So you'll go to Canvas, and let's check that out. So here it is. It's this link right here. When you click it, it's going to take you here. So all the stuff, so for instance, the first section says read Introduction to Electromagnetic Spectrum and Energy. That's this first link right here, and that's where you're going to find the answers, the first 4 answers, and so on and so forth. So it's pretty straightforward, right? So this is what I was talking about. The first 4 answers will be there, so on and so forth, right? Not very hard as long as you're looking. What's next? Study guide's next. You guys know how to do the study guide already. This is what it looks like. Notice this is from chapter 3, and then we're on to chapter 4, right? So keep that in mind. It's spread out. And because it covers 2 chapters, you might find, you know, one answer on page 5 will say. The next answer might not be until page 7. But that's okay. Just keep reading and you'll find them all. It's not going to be too terribly hard. That's about it. This one right here will be like on a box on, I think, the top right-hand page of the book. A lot of people have a hard time finding that one, but that's where that one will be. So that's the study guide. The next is the Scholastic Article. And I think in the future cover sheets, I'm going to combine these two because they don't need to be 2. But you're going to read The Science of Star Wars. I've included it in this unit, okay? It's right here. I've included it. If you want the better looking like color version, ask me. We can get it from the stack in the back of the room. Otherwise, you guys have it, right? So you're going to read through that unit, and then you're going to complete the discussion, right? So if we go back here, the discussion's right here. Easy. After that, there's a Doppler effect lab, so let me know, and we'll do that lab. Answering it is still going to be here. So here's like the lab reading material / like do as you do the lab stuff. Just 1 page. So that's the lab. And at that point, there's a test. So let me know when you're ready. You know, there's always a review to every test. It's in this unit. So go over that review, and that'll be good to go. With every unit, you know, very, very soon I'm going to try to have a project you can do in place of the test. So if you'd rather do projects and tests, I'll get that going. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Let's have a good day.